do a little room tour of the INSPIRA Rooftop Suite. Here is the bathroom. Now this can be open concept or closed, just like all of the rooms here. So if you would like it closed, you just slide the barn doors like so. You can do it on both sides, and then there's an actual door that you can walk in through. Very large shower, and you're going to have shampoo, conditioner, and body wash included. There is a toilet room that is separate, also very good size. Sometimes the resort toilet rooms are small. That is not the case here. Double sinks. Nice lighted mirror. The ladies will love all the light in here. Just excuse my appearance. I've been at the pool all day. Lots of amenities provided to you. Very big soaking tub. Looks beautiful. And in your closets, you are going to have your safe and some drawers. And then on the other side, there's a robe, slippers, ironing board, lots of space. You do not need to bring hangers. If you need more hangers, you can just ask for some. Very, very good size room, nice sitting area, TV, wine fridge. Keep all your essentials nice and tucked away. Here is the mini fridge. So, Coke products. And these are going to be restocked daily. If you want something particular, just ask. They do have an espresso coffee machine. Okay, the bar cart. So this is an INSPIRA perk. All the rooms do have snacks, but not to this level. So you have a ton of delicious snacks. Those are gonna be refreshed daily. Then you also have some liquor choices over here, more snacks, just delicious goodies, and some drinks. I was most surprised about the Red Bull. So I do not drink Red Bull, but I know a lot of people do, and a lot of times in the gift shop, those are anywhere between $6 and $8 US. So to have those included in your room is a really nice perk if you like energy drinks. So behind the bed, there's a nice little desk area. So you have 2 TVs in here. And then depending on your height, I guess you would kind of have to be a little concerned that you're not walking by and hitting the stairs. But let's go upstairs and show you around to the best part. It does get a little warm, so the room itself is cold, but when you get about 90% of the way up the stairs, you definitely can feel that you're going outside. So before we go outside, there is a half bath, and I think that this is just awesome. This is the husband bathroom for sure. And then outside. So you have a huge terrace here, 2 chase lounge, outdoor shower. I guess this is kind of like a little bar setup. Huge bed. I mean, this is huge. It's always hard to show scale in a video. We have a golf course view on this side. So to give you some reference, I am currently in building 2, and that is building 3. And then you have your little plunge here. And look at this gorgeous view. And it is nice and private. So kind of gives you the temperature, the hours are from 9 a.m. to 9 p.m. Max temp is 93. So very nice. Beautiful room. All right, so I think that is going to do it. If you have any questions, you can leave them down below. And if you are interested in booking this room, I would love to help you. You can reach out to me on my website at memoriesandmojitos.com.